Hey, it's George. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. Welcome to another Ciciful experience. I'm so excited to yet again be working with Ciciful. I kind of lost track of how many times we have worked together, but every single time has been nothing but a pleasant and sexy experience. Let me tell you, Ciciful is one of those brands that will completely encourage you to get outside your comfort zone. Their options of apparel is it's interesting. Let me just say that. If you've not ever checked out Ciciful, do yourself a favor, and especially with Pride Month being upon us, if you're looking for a fit to really not just get you outside of your comfort zone, but to make you feel special, sexy, authentic, and yourself, this is the place to check out, you guys. And you can also score yourself 15% off by using code GEORGE15 while you're there. Why not? Consider that a little gift from me to you. No, this is not a paid sponsorship. They're not paying for my opinion, thoughts, or review. They were just kind enough to send me a few pieces to try on and check out with you guys. So if you're interested, grab yourself a snack, perhaps a drink, and keep on watching. I am so ready to unbox this, you guys. This has been sitting here waiting for me to share this experience with you, and I always have so much fun checking out Ciciful's website. You really honestly never know what you're gonna find, and there's typically stuff that even pushes me to get outside my comfort zone, which is kind of hard these days because I have really opened up when it comes to the fashion department. So we have quite a bit of stuff here, and I'm just gonna pull things out randomly and you'll try it on from there. So first up is this piece, and I believe this is a tank. So let's see. Now we'll put everything in the description box and also on the screen so you can see for yourself exactly what I'm checking out. Yes, okay, yeah, this is a tank top, but it's sheer, all right? It's transparent, let's be for real. It is a little on the see-through side, but I love the cuts. This is perfect for summer. And also, I'm gonna be in Fort Lauderdale this summer, and you know, it is super hot down there during July, and something like this is most definitely gonna come in handy, but it feels super soft. I love it. Honestly, this is such a hot top. One comment I do have though is it is borderline, letting the dogs bark. But this is a size medium. It definitely fits. It fits perfect, okay? So I was worried that it was gonna be a little too big, just because sometimes Ciciful stuff is typically true to size, but every now and then I've experienced things that are a little too on the big side. But this fits perfect. And if you're wondering about how transparent this is, I mean, it's quite transparent. I mean, you can see through it. This is not a shirt that you're gonna go out for dinner in, depending on the place you dine, but it is most definitely, it's a sexy top. Next up in the bag is, I think these are pants. I think these are the pants I was eyeing up for quite some time actually, and finally they're in my phalanges, and I'm so excited. They have fringe on them, and I feel like this is just the vibe of 2024. A lot of things are fringy, a lot of things are on the cowboy aesthetic with, all the pop girlies going country these days. And hopefully the camera is doing these justice because they are so beautiful. Are you seeing this? Look at this up close. Look at these shine, look at the sequin, but look at those frills. They fit pretty good. They fit great actually. So this is what they look like on. They're a little more on the straight side than I was expecting. I thought they were gonna be a little bit more, not so form-fitting, but there's nothing wrong with that. Given the right shoes, I'm sure it will look sick, but the fringe, is the fringe fringing? Yes, just the right amount too. I was worried about that. I was worried it was just gonna be way too, too much, but this is the right amount of fringe. And they shine so much. I'm looking in the camera and literally, hopefully it is giving the same effect as it does in person, but they're beautiful. Okay, I know exactly what this piece is. All right, so bear with me here. This is not something I will be trying on because it is scandalous. This is it's supposed to be a thong, but this looks like dental floss. This is tiny. Okay, yeah, so it's a thong, you guys. I'm just gonna show you because I feel like I love the early 2000s Y2K, very like Paris Hilton and just those it girls that had their low-rise jeans and then a little bit of a thong, like peeking out. That's the vibe that I'm going for when it comes to something like this. But what makes it special is the back portion has gems on it. Like there are gems. Can you make that out? This is not your average pair of underwear, okay? This is special. This is something that I don't mind, peeking out. And we got another accessory. This is something that I immediately was like, okay, I need to incorporate that with an outfit at some point this summer because, accessories are for every part of the body. Your wrist, your neck, your ears. You can pretty much accessorize anything you want. And I never really thought about accessorizing my, I don't know what that was, but I never really thought about accessorizing my bicep area, and that is exactly what this is for. It is a little chain for your arm, and when I saw the picture I was like, okay, that is so sick. I can definitely hopefully pull that off for a look this summer. Imagine like a simple outfit like this, again, just very minimal and very kind of like on the, I don't know, simple spectrum, but we have some arm candy going on. Brace yourself because this is a fun one. How sick is that? Just to have like a little arm candy. Why not? I mean, I feel like, would this look better with two? Maybe this will look better with two, but either way, I mean, come on. Imagine like you're at like a festival or something, you're just like moving around. Not gonna lie, I'm a little worried that like if I move the wrong way, it might break, but it is on here pretty tight and that is not going anywhere. So this is what it looks like from behind. Kind of wish that this part was around the entire thing, but I also understand why it can't be. It looks so sick. This is, dare I say, one of my favorite pieces from this haul. A little intermission, we're gonna take a break for a second, but hopefully you're having a great Pride. Hopefully you have some cool stuff planned for this month. I'm gonna be in Peru for June, so I'm gonna be out of the country with my husband and doing some really fun stuff, but for this summer, we will be celebrating, of course, and I'm so excited. So let's get to it, guys. I have, I think, one more thing in here. I'm pretty sure it's like a two-piece, and I chose this because there's a party that I go to at the end of summer called Illumination, and it's for a great cause, and it symbolizes some beautiful stuff. But just to kind of summarize everything, my friends and I do a theme for the party, and I believe this year we're probably gonna do cowboy. I know it's kind of cliche for the year, but instead of doing it for Halloween, we're gonna do it for this. And this is it's kind of like Coachella vibes. It's cowboy-esque and it's very fringy. So it's kind of the theme of this video today. And it looks so beautiful online. It feels so soft. So again, it's a two-piece. I gotta say small. I'm praying that it fits. But we have, what is this? Oh, this is a jacket. Look at, this is great quality. I am shook right now. The fringe of it all. So this color is incredible. And oh my God, the buttons too. Are we seeing the buttons? They are the same color as, I don't think this is real suede, but whatever this is, it's like very monochromatic to that. And I love how soft this is. I cannot wait to try this on. Okay, so we have this and also the second piece for it, and that is a pair of shorts. And they are so cute. I love, the length it's kind of perfect, not gonna lie. I'm praying that these fit, but there's only one way to find out. I'll tell you this right now, I will most definitely be wearing these shorts just like, with an outfit, not specifically with just the top, but I'll coordinate this with something because they are they fit amazing. For a small, I got lucky. I feel like I fit weird when it comes to shorts. Like they never fit me the right way. It's a me problem, I guess. But this is so beautiful. Oh my goodness. Okay, so obviously like, you know, I'll wear like a tank top or something underneath this. Oh, the fringe, it just lays so nice. And let's close this up just to give you full effect. I am in love. I absolutely love this. I like how it's cropped. You know what I mean? Like it's not like a full like fringe jacket. It's cropped the perfect length. And this is what it looks like. I've never owned anything of the fringe nature before, so this is new for me, and I'm loving it. This was such a good deal too. Like this was an inexpensive piece for such good quality. There is something so 𝐶UNTY about fringe that I've never experienced before. Like just wearing this, it's literally making me like feel a certain like type of fantasy, and I'm living for it. But the vibe is just perfect. Like the length of the shorts is ideal. The fringe, incredible quality, amazing. The color, I love this color. Like this was made for me. Okay, consider this my piece. Alright guys, that is a wrap for my Ciciful haul. I had so much fun checking out these items and hopefully bringing awareness to Ciciful if you were not already aware of who this brand is. Again, do yourself the favor, check them out, and I highly encourage you to choose something that's gonna push your limits and get you outside of your comfort zone. And of course, you can get yourself 15% off by using my code right here. And I am just very proud to be yet again working with this company because they really do celebrate pride and the community. And it's super important to engage with brands that want to celebrate us. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. And if you're not already, please subscribe to my channel. I will love your company. Do not forget to click the notification bell because that will notify you whenever I upload new content. Also, my Instagram is @ShirraGeorge if you want to follow me on there. I post a lot of like fashion stuff, tips, and you know, lifestyle, you name it, but that's practically like my #1 platform I use these days. So give me a follow. Everything will be linked down below. All these items, Ciciful and my other platforms, and hopefully I catch you sometime later. Until then, say thanks, give compliments, and think positive. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bye guys.